The dollar is continuously depreciating against gold and other precious metals. Investing in precious metals protects your savings against depreciation. CyberMetals is the fastest way to buy precious metals, period. We offer the lowest premiums on gold and silver in the industry. Owning vaulted metals is the most secure way to own precious metals. Unlike an ETF, you can take delivery at any time. Visit CyberMetals.com or download the app to create a free account and find out how easy precious metals investing can be.